Hey there, amazing educators. I'm Seymour Saguaro with Tucson Values Teachers, and I'm going to walk you through how to get your TVT teacher discount card set up and ready to use. First things first, head over to MyTVT.org and register for your account. During registration, you'll need to provide both your personal and your school email addresses. Your personal email will become your login, and the email we'll use for all correspondence. This helps you avoid school or district email filters, so you never miss important updates. Once you're logged in, find the Teacher Discount Card page. Just go to the menu, Teacher Programs, Teacher Support, then Teacher Discount Card. Once you're there, click the button at the bottom of the page. Before you submit your request, take a moment to verify all your information on the form. Once you've double-checked, hit Submit. Your teacher discount card will then be activated for the current calendar year. Next, grab your phone and download the TVT Teacher Discount Card app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in using your personal email, the same one you used to register on MyTVT. Ready to find some savings? Tap the second tab on the bottom bar to open the directory of deals. This is where you'll see all the businesses offering discounts to TVT teachers. You'll notice some businesses have a gold star next to their names. Premier partners don't just offer discounts to teachers, they also provide support to TVT, helping us expand our impact. Business partners are fantastic local businesses offering exclusive deals just for you. Looking for something specific? Use the search bar at the top to search for business names, or browse by category to see deals in areas like automotive, health and wellness, restaurants, retail, teacher supplies, and more. Let's check out a sample partner profile. You'll see the business name, logo, discount details, and more. Always review the details so you know exactly how to redeem your discount. Now let's look at your actual teacher discount card. Tap the Card tab at the bottom. This is your digital card, ready to use at participating businesses. To complete your card, you'll need to upload a photo. Tap the photo area and select a clear headshot from your phone's gallery. You can zoom in and out to crop your photo using a 2-finger pinch motion. When you're ready to use a discount, just open the app, go to the Card tab, and show this screen at checkout. Most businesses will also ask to see your school ID, so keep that handy. And that's it. Thank you for everything you do for students in Southern Arizona. I'm Seymour Saguaro with Tucson Values Teachers. Stay sharp.